Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable lossless mode for your aptX codec on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open the EARFUN application and now click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio quality. And right here we have it. Now tap on it, and here is Qualcomm aptX codec. So firstly, you can enable only this Qualcomm aptX. Right here in the third line we have lossless mode. But before this, I recommended to click at this information icon, and right here you can see requirements. So firstly, your chip should be Qualcomm to use this codec. I mean, you can use it without this chip, but I don't recommend it to use it. And right here, for this lossless mode, we have requirements that you need to have Qualcomm 8 Gen 1, 2 or 3 or about. So if you have weakest chip, I don't recommend it to enable this mode. So this mode, it will improve Bluetooth connection quality, and when the Bluetooth signal is weak, it will turn on this mode and it will improve it. And that's it. To enable it, just click at the slider near to it and it automatically enable also aptX adaptive codec. And if your Qualcomm aptX, like normal, will be disabled, it also enable it. So you just click on it, then click sure. Now you wait a few seconds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!